Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the 2021 year gift box from Mofkera. So let's unbox. So now we're going to open it. Okay, so like that. Okay, so it's super cool. Everything is the travel stamp style. And this is the agenda. This is the weekly planner. And this is the year calendar. And these are the two coasters. And here's the stickers booklet and the organizer. And for the last thing, we have the pen and its pen holder. Now we're going to see everything in specific. Now I'm going to show you the organizer. So this is the organizer. So the organizer has all these different places that you can write in. So these are things to do. And here is the notes. And don't forget, and bullets for everything you write, and important. And they're still in the travel stamp style. Now I'm going to check the stickers booklet. So on the booklet itself, it has all these different stickers on it, and it's super cute. So the first thing we have is fast food stickers.
It's like burgers, pizzas, and drinks. Then we have summer stickers, climate stickers, galaxy stickers, Christmas stickers, birthday stickers, organizer stickers, coffee time stickers, emotion stickers, marble stickers, patterns stickers, and galaxy stickers, panda stickers, friends and TV stickers, countries, flag stickers, social media stickers, travel stickers, quote stickers, and that's all.
It has so many stickers that are so cute, and I love the stickers booklet. I'm going to look at the two coasters. This one is the same as the other one. So it has the travel stamp theme, and yeah, it's just the same. Both are the same, and the same style from the back. So now we're going to open the weekly planner. This is the weekly planner. So it's same style as all the others. So from the back it has all these travel stamps, and from the front it says weekly planner and new year, new feels, new chances. So this is how it looks from the outside. It's the same theme as all the others. So if you open it from the inside, it's like yellowish paper. I like this yellowish paper. So there are little boxes of each day. On Saturday, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 boxes for each day. And I like the theme around them, like the yellow and the plants around it. So this is the weekly planner. Now finally I'm going to open the agenda. So as I can see, there's the bookmark in the agenda. So first I have to open the plastic wrapper. So as I can see here, there are two things. I thought it was only the bookmark. So this is the bookmark. It's still the theme of the travel stamps. And here is the gift card. So you have to close it and it will be like this. So you write everything inside. There are little lines so you can write, and there's like two. You're gonna write the person that you're giving this to, and again it says travel stamps, new year, new feels, new chances. And yes, so this is the gift card and this is the bookmark. So now I'm going to unbox the agenda. And the agenda is the main thing in the gift box. So they put a quote there, the same quote: new year, new feels, new chances, and 2021 daily agenda, travel stamps. And down here it says discover new roads to success as you step into another great year. And yeah, this is a quote, this is a quote. And I love them both. So here are all the travel stamps around, and also back there it's like all travel stamps. And actually at the really end you would find a little loop there to put on the pen. You can put the pen inside. So I'm going to show you that later. So the first thing here is it's all hearts, and it says 2021, a year of happiness, positivity, and gratitude, and self-development. And here it says this bullet journal belongs to, and you write your name here, and if you find this,
contact me, put your number, email, and here, my birthday wishes. Super cute, it's like a cupcake with a candle, like birthday cupcake, and like messages there that you can write your birthday wishes in. And here is a unicorn, and it says my bucket list, and you write all the little things. And here it says my travel list, write all the places that you want to go, and best books of 2021. You write all the books that you like through 2021, and I love the little pictures in each page. And here it says best movies. You're gonna write all the movies you like through 2021, and your goals, grand career, friends and family, health, positivity, fun plus adventure, and money. So here is the calendar of 2021, and it's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so this is upcoming events. You're gonna write all your events throughout all the months. And here it says favorite playlist. You're gonna write all your favorite music and things that make me happy. You're gonna write all the things that make me happy. And I love the little doodles in the middle. And here, my happiest days of each month. And there's also in each month a special day. And you're gonna write the special day right under it. So it says that for all the months. Now, here, my memories. You're gonna write all your memories. Not write them, maybe you can write them, but you can also put a picture on like these little places. And here, this is a mood tracker. And here, down here, it says happy is red. Little less happier is orange, and normal is yellow, and sad is blue, and really sad is green. So every single day you're gonna color each petal of what you feel on that day. So yeah, this is another mood tracker. So it says your pixels, color the little pixel every day, and here it says the different colors for your different moods. So excited, calm, happy, loving, or loved. Normal, sad, nervous, angry, stressed, bored. So every single day you're gonna color each pixel for that day. So now here's a diary tracker, and yeah, you just write your weights for every day, and at the end you write your goal. And here is a blank page for you to do anything in it, and And here you color how many cups did you drink for that day, and what was the weather, and what's your mood. And that's what you do for the rest of the month. Okay, so this is February. It's another doodle round. These are the little hearts that we saw over here, in different colors. It says Hello February, and the color and the coloring page. So this is March. It says Hello March and the different flower doodle, and it says months, goals, and calendar. And here is the coloring page. So for this April, there's going to be Ramadan in it, so it has like all these stars around. And here it's the coloring page for Ramadan. This is Hello May, and it has all these different doodles around of different spices. And here is the mermaid to color. So here it's a little June, and different I think, unicorn, and actually in, like here, unicorn, it has like little space, images inside that you have to color, so I think that's really nice, and yeah. So over here in September, it's everything's green, and there's the coloring image, and it says call, with flowers. Okay, so this is October. Everything's the same, but there are umbrellas around on the border, and the teacups are there. Okay, so this is November. It says Hello November, and then there are little trees on the border. And on the coloring page, there's an owl that I have to color. And let's go to December. Okay, so this is December. It says Hello December, and 12 on the side, and little doodles of every image in the whole agenda, and then all the different things at the end. And the last page over here, it says wait for agenda 2022, and little different kinds of people around on the border, and again the hearts, just like the first page. And that's everything inside.
Now I'm going to show you the year calendar. So I'm showing this to you folded, and I'm going to show it to you opened on the wall. So for the months, it says every day, and for all the weekends, it's highlighted in gray, and for the special days, it has the little star on the little end of it, like over here, and that's for every like holiday and special day of the year. And yeah, it says the day and the number of the day of the month. And if you want to write anything, if anything is special, maybe like a birthday, you can write that there. And yeah, and also this calendar is the same, it's the same style as the weekly planner from the inside. It's like yellow with doodles, as you can see. It's the same colors, the same style. So yeah, I really love that. And yeah, so this is the year calendar. So now I'm going to show you the pen and all the different things that it does. So first thing here, and the really last page, there's this little loop over here. It's for the pen, so you can just fit your pen in it like that. and I think it's really nice. You can just put your pen with you if you're taking your agenda anywhere. And yeah, I really love the little loop. And now I'm going to show you how does the pen work. So first thing, the pen has this little piece that you can draw on with for your phone or any device which has a screen. And if you just twist this part over here, this pen part gets out, and now you can draw and write with it on paper. So we're just gonna do like this and draw.
Good handwriting on the notes app. So yeah, I really love the pen, and it's not that expensive as like any other pen for any other like device pen. And it has so much things that you can do with it. Like this is the phone holder, and it's a pen, and also a pen that you can use on any device. So yeah, I really love it, and it looks really cool, not like any other pen. So I really love the design on it and everything that it does. So also, yeah, I love it.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!